Have you ever thought, the better I perform, the more work I get? Maybe you've even felt frustrated because every time you prove yourself, another project gets put in front of you. Eventually, a lot of people reach the exact same conclusion, and that's the need to I need to start saying no. But what if that's the wrong conversation? The issue usually isn't the work. The issue is priorities. One of the biggest communication mistakes people make is forcing a conversation into two choices: yes or no, accept it or reject it, do it or refuse it. But leadership communication a lot of times requires a third option. Reshape the conversation. Imagine your supervisor walks in and says, I need you to take on this project. Instead of responding, I can't, I'm already overloaded with other work, or I don't have time, try this instead. Absolutely, I'd be happy to help. But which one of my current priorities would you like me to set aside so I can give this my full attention? Did you notice what changed? You didn't refuse the assignment. You didn't complain about your current workload. You just invited your leader into the decision. Most supervisors aren't intentionally overwhelming their best employees. Many really don't have complete visibility into everything that's already on your plate. By asking which priority should move, you're helping them make an informed decision instead of assuming you can somehow do everything. Now let's flip the perspective. If you're the leader assigning the work, pay attention. Your highest performers are often the first people you think of when something important needs to get done. They're dependable, they're capable, they get results, right? But if every new responsibility goes to the same person without adjusting existing priorities, your most reliable employee eventually begins to feel punished for performing well. High performers usually don't burn out because they work hard. They burn out because they believe excellence only earns them more work. Good leaders don't just assign responsibilities, they prioritize them. So here's my challenge for you. The next time you're asked to take on another responsibility, don't immediately make the conversation about whether you'll do it. Reshape the conversation. Ask, I'd be happy to help. Which one of my current priorities would you like me to set aside so I can give this my full attention? That one question creates clarity. It encourages better decisions. And it's going to shift the conversation from saying no to making sure the right work gets done. This is another leadership minute from Hydelogix. Better thinking, better leaders, better futures.